This is a sneak peek of Spelling Connections by Zaner Blosser. When you receive this program, you will receive the student workbook. The workbook we're going to look at today is 3rd grade. However, every grade level is formatted in the same way. Not only are the kids learning spelling, as you can see on the cover, there's also thinking skills, phonics skills, reading, writing, and technology skills, all within this program. Let's take a look at the workbook. The table of contents is always the first place to start. This will give you your year at a glance, so you have a heads up as to how many units or how many lessons you're going to be dealing with for the year. In Spelling Connections, there are typically 36 units. So each unit is supposed to be completed within a week. So Unit 1 would be Week 1, Unit 2 would be Week 2, and so forth. A typical school year is 35 weeks, so you're looking at doing a unit a week in order to complete the program by the end of the year. Let's take a look at the format for the week. So you're going to start with day 1, would be your spelling and thinking, where you introduce the spelling words, make sure your student knows what they mean. You're working on phonics. And then day 2 would be spelling and vocabulary. Day 3 would be spelling and reading. Now here I have a suggestion. If you already have a language arts program that has a very good writing program, these 3 lessons are probably all you would need to do for your spelling. And after day 3, on day 4, I would just give them a spelling test and then be done with your week. If you do not have a good writing component in your language arts, then I would incorporate the 4th day, which is spelling and writing. This program actually has a very excellent writing component, so you could incorporate all your writing just using this spelling program if your language arts program lacks in writing. Then another option, this would be optional, you could use the review and the challenge if you wanted to. Another piece that's optional is it goes into an enrichment called spelling and technology. So again, the optional pieces are if you're needing to fill some time in your day, or if your child is really into technology and wants to do this, or if your language arts program is lacking in the writing area. Then I would do all these options. But if you're just typically using it for spelling, then really the first 3 lessons are going to be your most important. And then the final, test of the words on the 4th day. But anyhow, this curriculum also at the end of every 5 units gives their own assessment and review. And again, it offers a writing workshop at the end of every 5 units as well. So, optional, if your language arts does not have a good writing component, and you need more writing in your day, but again, just optional, but it's nice to have it here. So that's your typical lesson for the week, or how your lessons will be run for the week. It looks the same way throughout all the units, all the weeks, and all the grades. Some other resources that this workbook gives you towards the back here, it gives you some high frequency writing words. It gives you a spelling dictionary, and it also gives you a spelling thesaurus. So there's your sneak peek at Spelling Connections. If this program looks like looks like it interests you and you would like to talk more about it, please give me a call. Star Williams at 503-758-3636.